I gotta have more cowbell.
Don't blow this for us, Gene!
And if Bruce Dickinson wants more cowbell, we should probably give him more cowbell.
Say, baby.
But the last time I checked, we don't have a whole lot of songs that feature the cowbell.
I gotta have more cowbell, baby.
I think if I just leave and maybe I'll come back later and we can lay down the cowbell.
Come on, baby.
Gene, wait!
Guess what? I got a fever. And the only prescription is more cowbell.
Why don't you lay down that cowbell right now?
Y'all be wearing gold-plated diapers.
What does that mean?
Never question Bruce Dickinson. Roll it.